Hello everyone, this is Ian Lamont, the founder of In 30 Minutes Guides. Today I'm going to show you how to attach a file to an email that you're sending to somebody else. And here's the situation. You're in your Yahoo Mail, you're writing an email. All right, let's write it to this person named Ian Lamont. Just typed in his email address. Okay. And I'm gonna say to check out the attachment. It's a map. All right. So I downloaded this map from the National Parks website. Okay, now the question is, where do I get the map? If you've downloaded it already, it's probably stored in either the downloads folder or maybe another folder that you use to where you have your personal files. You attach a file by clicking on the paperclip icon in Yahoo. Gmail is actually pretty similar. Okay. And what it may do is it may default to another folder, desktop. And actually the file I want, it's not in the desktop. It's in the downloads folder because I just downloaded it from another website. So in the little dialog that appears, look on the left side and you'll see a bunch of names of folders. Either click the name of the folder where you stuck that file. It could be in business or legal if you have those folders in your own desktop, or in my case, it's in downloads. Okay. Here's the file, National Park Map PDF. Just select it and then click open. It won't open the map in your browser. It'll just attach the map to your email. And then once that's done, you click send, and the person will receive the email with the map attachment. For more information on how to get the most out of Yahoo Mail, out of your email program, if it's not Yahoo Mail, out of other technology services including LinkedIn, Twitter, Google Drive and Docs, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, check out our guides at in30minutes.com. And thank you so much for watching.